Cordless vacuums make cleaning faster because there's no cord to snag, no outlet hopping, and no excuse to do it later. The best models combine strong suction, smart attachments, and enough battery life to handle whole home touch-ups. In this video to the best cordless vacuum cleaners, we'll break down what to look for: runtime, filtration, floor performance, and value, so you buy wisely. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Shark Freestyle Max Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. If you want a cordless upright vacuum that feels quick to use, but still handles both carpets and hard floors, the Shark Freestyle Max Cordless Upright is built for everyday cleaning. It's designed as Shark's most powerful cordless upright multi-surface cleaner, with strong suction at the nozzle and 2 brush roll speeds to match what you're cleaning, one setting for deeper carpet pickup and another for bare floors. Because it's cordless, you can move from room to room without stopping to unplug, untangle cords, or hunt for outlets. At about 6.98 pounds, it stays light enough for fast daily pickups, so you're more likely to clean up right when the mess happens. Crumbs in the kitchen, dirt by the door, or pet hair on the rug. It's also made to be easy to live with long term. The design focuses on reducing clogs and blockages, helping you maintain more consistent performance with less fuss. That means fewer interruptions mid-clean and less time spent troubleshooting airflow issues. When you're finished, the charging dock keeps things simple. You return the vacuum to the dock for hassle-free charging, and the compact, space-saving setup makes storage easier in closets, corners, or smaller homes. With practical features like headlights for spotting debris and a compact portable build, it's a solid option when you want cordless speed, multi-surface flexibility, and a cleaner home without turning cleaning into a full workout. At number 4, LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you want a cordless vacuum that's easy to grab for daily messes, especially if you have pets, the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is designed to keep cleaning simple and consistent. It runs on a 22.2-volt battery and offers up to 50 minutes of runtime, so you can tackle hard floors and rugs without feeling rushed or stopping constantly to recharge. Hair pickup is one of its biggest strengths. The tangle-resistant design helps collect human hair and pet fur, while reducing the wraparound that usually slows you down and clogs the roller. When you do need maintenance, the roller is detachable and washable, so you can clean it quickly and keep performance steady over time. You also get a more convenient cleanup routine. The dustbin empties with a one-click release straight into the trash, which helps you avoid touching debris or making a mess. Included attachments let you move beyond the floor to handle corners, baseboards, furniture, and tight spaces where dust and pet hair build up. For homes dealing with allergies, the 5-stage filtration system is designed to capture and hold pet hair and dander, helping you keep the air cleaner while you clean. The washable foam filters add another practical bonus. You can rinse and reuse them to reduce replacement costs and maintain airflow. At only 6.17 pounds, it stays lightweight enough for quick sessions, so you're more likely to clean right when the mess happens. Number 3, we have the Bissell Cleanview XR Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you want a lightweight cordless vacuum that's made for pet hair and everyday messes, the Bissell Cleanview XR Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner helps you clean faster without being tied to an outlet. It runs on a 24-volt system and weighs about 5.9 pounds, so it's easy to carry upstairs, maneuver around furniture, and grab for quick cleanups when fur and crumbs show up out of nowhere. You get up to 40 minutes of cordless runtime, giving you the freedom to move room to room without stopping to switch plugs. The vacuum includes 3 cleaning modes, so you can use a lower setting for routine maintenance and boost power when you hit heavier debris or stubborn pet hair. For pet owners, the deep cleaning fur brush is a big advantage. It's designed to lift hair from upholstery, stairs, and car interiors. Those places where shedding tends to collect and regular floor heads don't always work well. That makes it easier to keep couches, pet beds, and seats looking cleaner between deeper cleans. Another practical benefit is the removable 24-volt max lithium-ion battery. You can take it out to charge, swap batteries if you have a spare, and keep the vacuum ready without leaving the whole unit plugged in. And if supporting pet rescue matters to you, Bissell highlights that purchases help support the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets, so your upgrade can feel a little more meaningful every time you clean. At number 2, Shark Clean and Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. If you want a cordless stick vacuum that feels closer to clean and done, the Shark Clean and Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is built to cut out the most annoying part of vacuuming, emptying the bin. After you finish, you simply return it to the charging dock, and it automatically empties into the base. That means less dirt on your hands, fewer dust clouds, and no extra mess right after you've cleaned. It's also designed to stay easy to handle. The redesigned body is made to be lighter and more maneuverable, so you can weave around furniture, clean tight corners, and move from room to room without feeling like you're wrestling the vacuum. When you need to clean beyond the floor, you can pop it off and use it as a removable hand vac for above-floor jobs like stairs, shelves, upholstery, and quick car cleanups. This is especially helpful when you're dealing with everyday debris in the places a full vacuum head can't reach comfortably. For runtime, you get up to 40 minutes of battery life, giving you enough time to tackle routine whole home cleaning or focused sessions in high traffic areas. With high-efficiency particulate air filtration and high-precision sensors in the mix, it's a solid option if you want a cordless vacuum that's convenient, cleaner to maintain, and easier to live with day after day. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you want a cordless vacuum that feels powerful enough for whole home cleaning without the hassle of dragging a cord, the Dyson V11 Origin is designed to keep your routine simple and consistent. With up to 60% more power and strong suction performance, you can handle everyday dust, crumbs, and pet hair on hard floors and carpets without constantly switching machines. You stay in control with 3 power modes that match how you actually clean. Auto mode gives you a smart balance of suction and runtime for daily messes while helping protect battery lifespan. Eco mode stretches runtime when you're cleaning larger areas and want to keep going longer. And when you hit a stubborn spot, tracked in dirt near the entryway or a concentrated pet hair patch, Boost mode gives you maximum suction for intensive cleanup. The LCD screen keeps you informed while you work, showing your current power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime down to the second. That means fewer surprises mid-clean and a clearer idea of how much you can finish before recharging. For floors, the motor bar cleaner head is built to deep clean across surface types and detangle long hair and pet hair as you vacuum, so you spend less time cutting debris off the brush roll afterward. Overall, it's a practical upgrade if you want strong cordless performance, smarter controls, and cleaner floors with less daily effort. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which cordless vacuum cleaner you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.